Solana is a very pretty bay Dutch warm blood mare. She is 15 3 hands. Her sire is Calimero, who was by Legaat. Legaat was a cure stallion with 6 approved sons. Calimero himself was a Grand Prix dressage stallion, and he sired many Grand Prix horses, both in dressage and show jumping. He was a very athletic horse with great natural scope. Solana has much of those qualities. Solana's dam, Index, was by Taxateur. Taxateur was a fabulous Dutch warm blood with great temperament who competed in eventing and dressage. I bought Solana when she was 8 years old, and she had had very little training at the time. She's very fun to ride, and I showed her successfully through second level. She has big movements and a bold personality. She's a little powerhouse. However, Solana has had an injury to her right stifle while slipping in the mud, which has ended her career as a dressage horse. This truly breaks my heart, as she has always been my favorite to ride. She can be trail ridden, which she very much enjoys when ridden with another horse as company. Solana is not marish at all. Her personality is always the same. She's really easy to be around, has no barn vices, hauls easily, ties to anything, and I have always used her as a babysitter. Years ago, it was my dream to have a small breeding operation, but other situations have taken priority, and she is too nice of a mare to not be utilized to her potential. Solana has not had a foal yet, but her exceptional breeding is sure to pass along great offsprings. I love this mare, and her right new home is important to me.